Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out. On the application of our whale match, we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about the application of our whale match and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.